Hi, my name is Lalit, and in this video, I'm going to show you how we can host a ASP.NET Web API in IIS and IIS Express. So, for that, let's go to Visual Studio. Here, I have this project, which is my ASP.NET Web API. Now, we can host this web API in three ways. One is self-hosting, which we covered in earlier video, and then we can host it in IISExpress and also on IIS. So first let's see how we can host it on IIS. So for that, just right click on this web API project and go to properties of the project, and then in here there are these different tabs. So you need to select web, which is below build, and then here you can see the local server selection. So it is saying use local IIS web server, and then it is saying use IIS Express. So when we remove this setting here, you notice here this URL will change. So that means this service will be hosted in IIS. So to host it in IIS, we can simply say create virtual directory. So then it has created a virtual directory in IIS. For that, we can say run, then say init mgr, and then OK. And then as it's opened out here, and then inside default website, you can see this virtual directory is created out here. So this way, this web API is hosted in IIS. Now there is another way of hosting it. You can use this one, use IIS Express. So for IIS Express, we need to specify this URL, which has got port name as well in it. So now let's just save this and see how it goes. And yeah, before that, let's do this one also. So now it has created a virtual directory with this name in ASP and now let's run it and see whether it is hosted in ASP or not. So just type our URI down here, which is this one, and say hit it, and then you can see the control is come out here on this control method get all persons. You can see it is returning data. So this is the URL which is being hosted in IIS Express. We saw how a URL gets generated when we host it in IIS. Now here you can see this is my IIS Express running, and then if I right click on it, then I can see all the websites which are hosted in IIS Express. So my web API is one of them. So this way we can host our ASP.NET web APIs in IIS as well as IIS Express.